How to make 4-ingredient banana bread. 4-ingredient banana bread is a super easy homemade banana bread recipe that you can customize to make your own. With just 4 ingredients, you can have the very best from scratch, moist and light banana bread. This 4-ingredient banana bread is a busy baker's dream. Ingredients: for large overripe bananas, +1 if you want to add one on top. 2 large eggs. 3/4 cup brown sugar, tightly packed. 1½ cup self-rising flour. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prep a standard 8.5-inch loaf pan by lining it with parchment paper or spraying. 2. Peel your bananas and add them to a large mixing bowl. Use a fork to mash the bananas until they are almost liquefied. Some lumps are okay. 3. Add the eggs and use a fork or whisk to blend with the mashed bananas. 4. Add the brown sugar and self-rising flour and mix to combine. 5. Pour the mixture into your prepped pan. Option to slice the 5th banana in half long ways and float it on top of your batter. Bake for 55 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. 6. Allow it to cool completely before slicing. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.